Welcome to my online welding training program. I am Albert Idio, that's the accredited trainer and assessor. In this video, we will discuss about the repair weld material. And a repair weld material, we need to identify what is the difference between discontinuity and defect. For example, discontinuity are imperfection of weld in a base metal. Now, what is the difference between discontinuity and defect? Are they the same or are they different, and why? So my answer is they are different. And why? Discontinuity are acceptable while defect are rejectable. A discontinuity becomes a defect if it exceeds acceptable limit imposed by acceptance standard. So we need to identify the criteria for discontinuity and defect. We have the type, the size, and the locations of discontinuity. Discontinuities can be classified into three classes: the shape, the size, and contour. Then, internal irregularities, weld base, and metal properties. So proceed to shape, the size, or contour. So sa shape, size, or contour, external dimensions of the weld, excessive reinforcement, or overfill, sobra-sobra, no? Then, excessive root reinforcement, incorrect size, incorrect profile. Okay, so, kikita natin nagkaroon siya ng overlap. Okay, then, underfill naman. Then, we have the undercut. Then, we have the incorrect final dimension. Okay, proceed to internal irregularities, tayo sa crack. And repair weld material, ito naging karaniwang problema, ang crack, no? Ang crack daw are discontinuities presenting fracture. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-welding ka at mayroon ka na nakitang crack, kailangan mo munang ituloy, no? Kasi dangerous. Weld cracking is obviously the most dangerous situation that compromises the ability of a fusion, welded structure or machine to perform the design function in a safe and consistent way. We have the types of crack. We have the hot and cold crack. Okay, so hot crack is before solidification at around 4,000 Fahrenheit. So habang nagpiperform ka ng welding, hindi mo nilinis maigi yung bakal, during solidification, lumalabas na yung crack. Then another one is we have the cold crack. Okay, so ang cold crack, sinasabi nito is after solidification, no? Pag naghinang ka, hindi lumabas yung crack. Pagkalamig naman ng bakal mo, lumabas naman yung crack. So we have the types of cracks. So we have the longitudinal crack, mahaba, no? Then we have transverse crack. So we have the crater crack, the throat crack, toe crack, root crack, underbed, and husk crack, or heat affected zone crack. So we need to proceed the porosity. Porosity daw is discontinuity and welding due to gas entrapment and solidifying metal. The types of porosity, we have the piping porosity, cluster porosity, linear porosity, and uniformly porosity. Another one, we have the inclusion. Then we have the types of inclusion. So we have the slug inclusion, metallic inclusion. Okay, ang lamination ay tinatawag nila a flat, generally elongated planar base metal discontinuity found near the center of the rolled metal products. Okay, umaangat yung dalawang pinagpatong na bakal. Pag laminate ng bakal, umaangat sila, no? Cavity in a rolled flat but are not subsequently welded under the pressure of hot rolling. That is the lamination. So another one, we have the delamination. This is the separations of the laminations under the stress. A stress may result to distortion, plane cutting. It may be residual stress from welding, or it may be applied stress. Then another one, we have seams and laps. Are a base metal discontinuity found in a rolled product that result from improper steel making practices, seams and laps. Okay, so sa gilid ng ating hinang, nakakaroon ng seams and laps. Then we have the lamellar tearing. So this is a fracture, separation, and heavy weldment found within or beneath the heat-affected zone of thick plates that were not adequately defined by the steel mill. lamellar tears. It is a kind of a weld cracking that forms beneath a weld. Parang seams in laps din. Thank you for watching. Please watch my next lesson for you to enhance your skills and knowledge in welding. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But before you do that, make sure you are logged in into your account. Thank you.